Anong kurso mo, Trisha?
Graduate na po ako, summa cum laude with my bachelor's.
Wow!
Ay, Diyos ko naman, Trisha. Oh, wala na. Nanliit na kami dito talaga.
Wala na, tinira.
Anong kurso mo?
I double majored po in English literature and media communications. Tapos,
Double major?
Double major. Diyos ko, double pati nga, hindi ko maubos. Double major. Iba din talaga.
Masipag niya. Wow.
pero ngayon po nagma-masters po ako in media management.
Nag-masters
Wow.
pa. Double major na, nag-masters
Nag-masters pa.
My God.
Grabe.
Oo, iba ang course mo.
Sa-
Sana isa na lang in-enroll mo. Di ba?
Ano?
Pero konektado.
Bottomless in English. Major, master, lahat. Bottomless na yung aral mo.
Anong kurso?
Yung
English
masters ko po,
lit.
media management po.
Media management. Sa New York din.
Yes po.
So you're here for vacation lang?
Actually, nag-move na po ako dito ng December. So, nagzo-Zoom class na lang po ako. Pero continue po yung studies.
Hindi face-to-face.
Oh, okay.
But you're staying in the Philippines for good.
Yes po. Pero dati po, nandun po ako base.
Do you plan to leave anytime soon?
Hindi po.
Oh, so she's really staying here for good. So that's good news because what we are worrying here about is that, once you get closer to each other
Yeah.
and
Ano?
you
Develop
a very deep feelings towards each
Connection.
other and
Yeah.
then one day you will wake up and realize she'll be gone.
I know.
Just
But-
like what happened in the past. We
Yes.
don't want you to encounter and to be subjected to the same experience ever again.
LDR.
Yeah.
Hindi niya kaya yun.
Yeah, so we therefore conclude you go back to each other. You and Ben.
Balikan na daw kayo, Beng.
Balikan
Balik ka
kayo.
lang.
Oo. Beng, mamaya daw kukunin daw ni Mark yung Facebook mo, okay na?
Payag ka ba?
Kukunin niya yung Facebook mo.
Po?
Pero kahit sinasabi niya lang, pero kahit hindi naman doon siya magpaalam, okay lang. Kasi hacker kasi. Kukunin niya yung Facebook mo.
Madaming follower
IT pala
to.
siya.
Wow.
So, si Trish, ang nakakahanga yun yung masipag mag-aral.
Yes.
Diba? Grabe, yung hindi natatapos yung kagustuhan niyang matuto ng matuto ng matuto. Ano talagang plano mo in the future? What do you wanna become?
Actually, right now, ang dami ko pong tinatry. Nag-intern po ako in media, and TV din po. Nag-internship po ako. So, right now, I'm feeling it po. Pero medyo, I'm leaning towards PR po.
She's feeling it at the moment.
Yes.
Feeling it at the
Tinatry
moment.
muna niya. Oo.
Oo, dinadama niya lang, gano'n siya.
Yoga.
Gina-manifest.
Storm, what are you feeling right now? Babagyo ba?
Tere. Yun lang yung maganda sa marami kang sinusubukan kasi maraming opportunities eh, 'di ba? Kasi kung isa lang
Nakakapili
yung isa lang yung direction mo, pag nag-end game ka ron, wala na. At least pag may mga sanga-sanga, pwede kang pumunta kung saan
Tsaka
saan.
maganda, as a
May
young
options.
person, you explore your full potentials.
Full potential.
Sayang wala si Tito Ogie. Baka tanungin niyo si Trisha kung may manager na siya.
For sure.
Tito Ogie, kung nanonood ka man dyan sa Australia, text mo lang kami.
At siya mag-artista, PR ang gusto ni Tisha. Tisha, nagka-boyfriend ka na?
Opo, 8 months lang po.
Isa lang.
Isa lang po.
Okay. How was it?
Dun po sa New York, and actually medyo...
American?
Opo. It ended badly po.
Oh. Are you okay now?
Yes po. Recovered na po.
Oh, we're so glad to hear that.
Thank you.
Trisha, do you have a pickup line for Christoph?
Ang sweet naman ng dalawa. Grabe. Tara yung show. Nagulat yung mga tao. Kala nila showtime, Nickelodeon pala to. Grabe. Kala namin showtime, Nickelodeon. Wala.
Tinanong ko lang naman.
Ang ganda. Klumas.
Oh, Trisha, do you have a pickup line for Christoph?
Of course I do.
Of course she does.
Of course, para mga karakter sa Sesame Street na nag-uusap mo. Sige, pahabaan niyo pa.
Sorry, days.
Konti.
Usap kayo.
Yeah,
Oh,
Trish-
from Canada to
To the
America.
US.
Oh.
Yeah. Trisha, was your first boyfriend from America or was he Filipino as well?
No, he was from America. He was actually from Florida.
He was from Florida.
Yes.
It's one of... Oh, may madlang people na taga Florida po.
Pampanga yata yung Florida, Pampanga yan. Oo. Naapektuhan pa ng pinatubo dati. Yan yung Florida, Pampanga. Sino yung taga Florida, Pampanga?
Ayan si ma'am. TFC subscriber po kayo.
GMA
Yes
Pinoy
po.
TV.
Oh, hi. Thank you so much.
Thank you for visiting us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go
From
back.
Nickelodeon to DFC.
Let's go back to Trish and Darren. Come on.
Okay, so would you say that, you know, the boyfriend you're looking for is more on Filipino or American type?
I've actually always been into Filipinos, so I think this is the good time to discover if, you know, because dating Americans didn't work out, so maybe Filipinos is where I end up.
Oh, pusong
Yeah.
Pinoy pa rin ang hanap ni Trisha.
Yes.
Naintindihan namin, Darren. Wag mo kayo sinaso. Grabe siya. Trinanslate sa atin ni Darren.
Grabe, parang
My goodness. What do you think of us? Thinking of you? Wow, bago. Ang luma.
80s pa yun ah!
Ang luma. Ano joke? What
know
do you think
that?
of us?
Yeah.
Thinking of you?
Okay,